Alright guys, so just pulling up to my to one of my terminals now to pick up a new trailer. From what I understand, it's supposed to be just a flatbed. Said my dispatch I'm supposed to park the trailers in the empty trailer in the front, probably where that empty flatbed is, and the loaded trailers are going to be behind it. So it looks like I'm going to be picking up one of our brand new trailers. Sucks that it's not a Conestoga, but it's alright, at least it's a brand new trailer. Shouldn't have too many issues, if any. If I have to park over there, then I could probably just swing and back in. That should be fine. But yeah! Swing! And then catch up with it. Yep. It's empty, so you're gonna hear clunkies. Hazards on and back. We're keeping out for around me. Okay, make sure nobody decides to cross over. That was a very easy back. Nice and simple. And just gonna line it up next to it just because. And good. Cool. Okay. Anyway, just gonna pull this. Excuse me. I would like for you to not do that. One, two, three. You can just go right there. Let's see. Right there. Pull. And this. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh, it's that one, I think? Is it that one? 1102, 1104, 1106, 1105. What? Yeah, that's a little close to the wall, don't you think? Okay. I guess just put this one as close as you can to the wall. And... ooh, I do not like how close we are to this fence. I could actually almost touch the fence with my hand. Ooh, I'm way off. Yeah, I'm really far off. Hold on. Okay, let's try this again. Just nice and slow. I feel like this is too... oh, no, no, no. Come on. Go under it. Oh God, why am I tipping sideways? Nice and slow. Slow. I said slow. Okay, I get it. Okay, tug test is approved. Stay. La 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 la. Need these connected for the airlines. Yep, definitely gonna need more straps along this. This is way too little. Brand new straps though, brand new toolbox. Tires look good. Good. That looks good. 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 Where are the tarps though? So each of the loads from this facility I was told need to be tarped. So where are the tarps? I'll check in a second in the side box. Good. It's told. So no, there's no way. Hello. Aha, taps. Ah, guys. Actually, I guess. Ouch, I'm stuck. Ah, the fence. It got my ankle. Okay. I gotta get this up there. Oh, these aren't that bad, but they're still heavy. Stay. Okay. I guess let's get some of these strapped down. Cool. Yeah. Okay, close enough. Is that and yoink? Did it get all of it? It looks like it did. Let's give it a little snap. And last one. And yoink. Ooh, that didn't make it. Let's try that again. But this time, a little bit harder. Hiya! Haha! Perfect. So, let's do this. Do-do-do. I'm trying to beat the rain. That's all I'm trying to do. It looks like it already did rain, but I'm going to try to beat the rain the best I can. Thank you. Alright, let's just make these tight enough. Okay. Let's put this on. Good. Just tightening these hand tight for now until I get these tops rolled out. Then I'll tighten these more. That one's good. Cool. Let's get this top on. So, the rule for topping, right? You want to start from the back and go forward, because once you get that second top on near the front, it's going to cover up the second top, the end of it, so it doesn't get snagged by the wind. So, yeah, right there, and maybe overhang just a little bit, and now unroll. Yeah, as you see, this top is actually longer than half the load. So when this one rolls over, you're gonna overlap them. Oh, I do not want to fall. Okay. And yoink. Yoink. Oh, this is brand new. Oh, shoot. I wonder if I'm going to be the first one to use it. This thing doesn't even look like it's been unrolled even once. Hell yeah. Gotta make sure I take good care of it then. Gotta move this over there. Oh, this one's been used and abused. I can see the end. Okay. Anyway. Yoink. And yoink. E. Do. Try not to fall. Yeah. Okay. And normally what I do for this piece right here, this is normally supposed to go at the end, but because the way they had it rolled, I don't know which side this was supposed to be on. Now I know. Oh no, it's starting to rain. This is what I usually do. I usually lay it out so that I could hook it down so all the ends are down and I don't have to worry about this flapping. Okay, so I want to show you this before it starts downpouring. This is what I mean by it overlaps. Once I get this one all the way undone, it folds over this tub. So now this tub is being held down by this one. And because the wind's going this way, this one can't flap up. Ah, it's cold. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. Now this, same thing I did with the other one. Except this one is going to go this way. So like this. I gotta be careful. Once the rain stops, I just gotta bungee each one of these down and then they won't be moving and then we're good. I hate tarping, especially when it's raining. Gross. Alright guys, so just finished the straps. As you can see, they're all pulled down almost as tight as you could get them. Like, I had to put extra ones of these just because overlapping, it creates this extra hump. So because the extra hump, I wanted to make sure that it was extra secure. All these are down. These are down. This is just a lot bigger tarp than what we usually have. Like I said, this is a brand new tarp. Let's check this side. This side, as you can see, is the exact same way. Near the front, it starts to get a little hazy. As you can see, this is tighter on this side than that side. And it's weird because it's actually the difference on that side. That side is really tight. This side just seems a little loose. But as long as they're all secure down, it's not gonna go anywhere when but all I gotta do is tighten these back down. I didn't get a chance to tighten those. And then we're good to get on the road.